Welcome back to the Maturing Your GDPR Compliance Program series. Today, we're exploring another important aspect of the GDPR compliance, data subject rights. Understanding and efficiently handling these rights goes beyond compliance and can unlock value for your business. Let's start by talking about why accurate and timely fulfillment of data subject rights requests is so important. Firstly, and most critically, under the GDPR, you have a legal requirement to respond to data subject rights requests without undue delay and in any event within 1 month of receipt of the request. These requests can include access to the data subject's personal data, the right to rectify any inaccuracies in their records, and the right to be forgotten, also known as the right to erasure, among others. When these rights are promptly addressed, it's not only ensuring compliance, but it also demonstrates to your customers that you respect their fundamental rights. Now, let's break down the steps to fulfill a data subject rights request. In this example, we'll look at a request to access personal data held by a company, one of the most common right requests that you can exercise under the GDPR. Step 1. Identification and verification. When you receive a request, the first thing you need to do is verify the identity of the requester to ensure they are who they say they are and to reduce risk of disclosing personal data to the wrong person. The goal of this process should not be to request new information if possible. There has been multiple enforcements against seeking excessive information. If you're receiving marketing communications, there's, for instance, no need to share your government ID or social security number just to correct or delete your marketing data. Step 2. Information gathering. Once individual's identity is confirmed, you'll need to find all the personal data related to the data subject across your systems. This can be challenging, especially in large organizations with data spread across various departments and IT systems. The use of data discovery tools at this stage can be crucial for saving time and, more importantly, in ensuring all instances of personal data have been found and your response is thus accurate. Furthermore, using integrations that help centralized information about data subjects can help keep this data primarily in structured formats. Limiting the amount of unstructured data helps carry out privacy requests more efficiently and faster. Additionally, understanding exactly what the requester is looking for goes a long way when it comes to successfully executing a request. Step 3. Review and redaction. Review the collected data for any information that might infringe on the rights of others or is not relevant to the individual's request. Redact as necessary to comply with your legal requirements. Again, at this step, structured data can save a lot of time as you can determine which data fields are relevant. For unstructured data, you'll need to ask, is this data about the individual? Or go from there. This is quite time-consuming, and when dealing with these requests at scale, automating your responses using structured data fields is the best way forward. Step 4. Prepare your response. A response that is clear, understandable, and includes all the requested data is vital. Make sure to include all the requirements under the GDPR, including an escalation point for any potential complaints or follow-ups that the data subject might have. This should be in a format that's easily accessible to the individual and delivered to this data subject via a secure method, such as a secure portal or messaging system. Step 5. Response time. From the moment you receive a request, the clock starts ticking. Given the steps previously outlined, the GDPR's maximum timeframe of a month may not seem like enough time to fulfill a data subject rights request. So imagine if you were receiving hundreds a week. This really highlights the need to ensure your processes are efficient enough to meet this timeline. Integrations into data systems that allow automated pulls or unsubscribes, deletions, identity checks, and auto-rejections for requests are game changers here. For all these steps above, standardized workflows are the way to go, especially with automated routing rules and notifications to different team members. Having a standard process in place can make a huge difference and can help avoid delays in data subject access rights requests. But there's more to it than just compliance. Let's explore how fulfilling these requests can add business value. Firstly, it provides invaluable insights into customer data. Happy customers or employees usually don't submit a ton of data subject rights requests. So if you see a spike, it's a signal to the business that something needs to be looked at. Each request is an opportunity to understand what data you hold, how it's processed, and the level of bandwidth it takes to respond. This can lead to better data management, paint a clear ROI picture, and even identify areas for improvement in your services, such as automated tools. Secondly, it strengthens customer relationships. Data subject rights often occur when trust is lost. When you handle these requests efficiently and transparently, you can start to rebuild trust with customers and offer a potential turning point in the relationship. Lastly, it's a chance to showcase your data protection program. Showing that you take data subject rights seriously can be a significant differentiator and can not only retain customers, but can help attract new ones. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the rest of our series to learn more about how to comply with the GDPR.